one of the most beautiful coffees that I have seen. Deliciousness comes at a calorie cost, but that doesn't mean you cannot enjoy your favorite food items. To the most important muscle of your body, which most people neglect, your heart. This is true hot chocolate, that is because it does not contain any milk. Pure chocolate heaven. Welcome to the first episode of Eat Out Get Fit series in 2022, where we introduce you to the best places across the city to dine in and not only review them but also tell you how you can make better choices and stay healthy while dining out. Today we are at Omniance Mall, Gurgaon to try Paul, which is a popular French chain of bakery and cafe restaurants. They also have an outlet at Omniance Mall, Delhi, Vasant Kunj. But due to the COVID situation, Delhi's restaurants are closed for dining in. As you can see, it's just not a regular cafe. The ambience is pretty classy and it's spacious, and the interiors are quite French, you can say. The outlet is well lit up and offers a cozy atmosphere. Also, there are some windows and as well as a see-through kitchen to add to the ambience of this place. This place is a must visit if you are in Delhi NCR. I think they'll be opening up more outlets soon. Let's try the food now. The first thing on the table is pain au chocolat or chocolatine, which is basically a puff pastry filled with dark chocolate. This tasted quite good and it came along with this specialty cold coffee, which was again delicious. They had the option of croissant or even a Danish pastry instead of this with the cold coffee, but we went ahead with this. Cafe Mocha is basic cappuccino which is infused with chocolate, and as you can see, this is looking spectacular. One of the most beautiful coffees that I have seen in Delhi NCR. Of course, due to the added chocolate, the calories of the coffee go up, but when you're outside, you can afford it. If you're on a strict diet, go for a skim milk cappuccino and add a 0-calorie sweetener such as sugar-free to it. The signature cold coffee, it wasn't strong and it was smooth, so most people will like it, but be careful about the combo. The cold coffee and the French pastry can set you back 500 calories before you even begin your main meal. Ordered the Napolitana Primavera pizza. In honesty, it looked great, but it didn't taste delicious. The dough was too doughy or flaky. Quality of cheese used was good, but the tomato sauce used could have been more flavorful. Also, they could have added a little bit of more vegetables. The dough used in Naples style pizza is lean. It does not contain any oil. Thus, it's a lower calorie pizza as compared to others, but still it could have tasted better. The infusion mocktail, which consisted of orange juice, soda, lime, grapefruit syrup. It's not 0-calorie as Diet Coke or fresh lime soda salted, but it's still way better than shakes and malts which are loaded with sugar, ice creams and fat. Pasta in creamy tomato sauce, and no, this is not similar to arrabbiata. Arrabbiata is on the spicier side, whereas this was more creamy and more rich. So definitely they were added butter and cream to it. The addition of fat definitely bumps up the calories as compared to other regular red sauce pasta, and it might not be as high calorie as Alfredo cheesy sauce pasta. Pasta in general is very easy to consume in large amounts, so make sure to add your favorite vegetables and lean protein source such as chicken breast to make it more filling. Penne with mushroom and chicken cream. This was absolutely delicious and definitely tasted much better than the vegetarian pasta. Deliciousness comes at a calorie cost, but that doesn't mean you cannot enjoy your favorite food items. Cream, butter and cheese are the primary constituents of this type of gravy, and this is why it is so delicious. And how can you forget the added bacon? All of these items are highly calorie dense and you need to consume them sparingly if you're trying to lose weight. Of course, items such as chicken breast and mushrooms are low calorie dense items and should form majority of your diet. Coming to the other main ingredients of pasta, penne and the bread that comes tossed in butter. Both of these items should be consumed in moderation if you're trying to lose weight. Toasted bread topped off with cream cheese, capers, green mustard, and finally smoked salmon. Salmon is not the tastiest of seafood items and neither it is very high in protein. Not all things to be consumed need to do good to your taste buds or for your muscles to grow. Salmon provides crucial micronutrients, vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids which most people are deficient in, to the most important muscle of your body which most people neglect, your heart. This seafood is very expensive in India but worth every penny. Hot chocolate after your meal during this winter season is a true delight. This is true hot chocolate, that is because it does not contain any milk. And if you're trying to lose weight, consume this sparingly. But if you're someone who struggles with putting on the slightest of weight, then this can be a good option. It also contains some healthy fats. Molten choco fondant, desserts like these are the reason why you want to rush through the main course and indulge in the desserts as soon as possible. Pure chocolate heaven. The chocolate inside was absolutely delicious and of premium high quality. Even the consistency was thick. I wish the same consistency was used in the hot chocolate as it was too thin for my liking. Please do not forget to give this video a like, drop down your comments and share this video with your friends, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.